Hi there. In this video we're going to be learning how to play Beauty and the Beast. There's lots of different versions of this piece, but this is the version from the debut Rock School piano book. I'll put the link in the description. Okay, so I'm just going to do a playthrough now so you can hear how it sounds. Okay. So we're going to start by learning the melody. So I've put some of the music there so you can see. Okay, so we've got, so you're going to put your fourth finger on E and you're going up with the iconic do, 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 do. Okay, so we've got E, F, D, E, C, G, rest, rest. Now the next part, and this time it goes up to G. Okay, so let's go for that one more time. So first part, this is the intro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now the second line. And then we're going up. Okay, great. Okay, so you might want to go over that again, but we're just going to keep going. So now the verse. Okay, verse 1. So we're going down. 1 is on E, and we're going up E, G, B, C, F. Got that? So we're going on the verse now. 2, 3, 4. Good. And now we're going up E, G, B, C, D. Did you get that? E, G, B, C, D. Okay, let's try that one more time from the verse. So till as old as time, rest, rest. And now we're going up, true as it can be, true as it can be. Okay, now we're going to go to the next part. So it's a barely even friend. So we're moving our thumb to this C, treble C. Okay, so not middle C, but this one. So we're going up, barely even friends. Okay, so that's the first thumb going up in the step. Barely even friends. Then we're going down, then somebody bends, then somebody bends. Okay, so let's try that again. So C, D, E, F, G, and then down from G, G, F, E, D, C. Then move your fifth finger to F, unexpectedly, unexpectedly, which is F, E, D, C, G. Okay, we're going to try that one more time. So from the C, from the barely even friends, barely even friends, and then down, then somebody bends. Move your 5 to F, unexpectedly, F, E, D, C, G. Okay, now it's kind of like back to the verse again, but it's like the second verse, just a little change. Okay, so it's the same as the first verse, and then this is also the same. Small to say the least, small to say the least. So that's E, G, B, C, D. Then I'm moving my third finger to E, and we're going to do both a little scared, both a little scared. Get that? So that's E, D, E, G, C. Okay, and then moving down 3 to C, neither one prepared. Got that? So 3's on C, neither one prepared. And then we've got another Beauty and the Beast, Beauty and the Beast. So we try that one more time from both a little scared, both a little scared. 3 moves to C, neither one prepared. Then 3 moves to E, Beauty and the Beast. Then we have another one, both a little scared. Then move down, they're the neither one prepared. Then move 3 up to E, Beauty and the Beast. Okay, should we go over the whole melody now? Okay, so first let's go over the intro. So remember 3's on E, do do do. Sorry, 4's on E, do 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 do. And then go down to G, and then back up here. And this time we're going up to G. Okay, verse. Taylor's old as time, so go down, thumb to E. Taylor's old as time. Rest, rest. True as it can be, but still thumb on E. True as it can be. Okay, now we're on to barely even friends, so thumbs moving to C. Barely even friends, and then down. Then somebody bends. 5 moves to F. Unexpectedly. Okay, then we're going from the second verse. Both just a little change. Good. And then from the E again, going up, small to say the least. Now both a little scared, so 3's moving to E. Both a little scared. 3 moves to C. Neither one prepared. 3 moves to E. Beauty and the Beast. And then we've got another both a little scared. Both a little scared. 3 moves to C. Neither one prepared. 3 moves to E. Beauty and the Beast. Okay, so if you need to, you can go over that again. Okay, but we're going to go over the chords now. Okay, so the chords we've got is playing in C major. So we've got C, F, there's an E minor, there's a G, there's a D. So we've got quite a few different chords. You'll learn all about these in the Active Learning book, about the different chords and how they exist in C. Okay, here we go. So we're going to start with an inversion of C, which is what we learn in the Active Learning book. Okay, so do 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 do, then move to F, do, back to C. So we're on the intro of chords. Do 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 do. Okay, now we know this part already, so let's put it together. So first you do the chords, count them in for 2 beats. 1, 2, and then add da, 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 and then go down. Go back to C, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then up to G. Maybe we'll do one more time. What do you think? Okay. 1, 2. Then change to F chord. Then down. Back to C chord. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, great. Now we're on to the chorus. The chords first. 1, 2. As you can see, it says C chord. There's older. Change to F. Time. Okay, good. Now the second bit. C, true as it can, and then G, B. Okay, so let's try that again. 1, 2, till as old as F, do, do, and then back to C, true as it can be. Okay, we're adding this hand in now, so count for 2 beats, got 2 beats of rest. 1, 2, till as old as time, rest, rest, change to C. 1, 2, true as it can be, rest, rest. Okay, I'm gonna just keep it moving. Okay, so now we're gonna do the barely even friend. So we've got a C, barely even, changes to E minor. I quite like it up, friends, but you could go down. Barely even friends. Yeah, it sounds nice either way, really. I'm gonna go up though. Okay, so 1, 2, barely even friends, and then down, then somebody, change to F, bends on it, and then change to G. Okay, so let's try that one more time. So 1, 2, barely, let's go down this time, friends, and then F, body bends unexpectedly. Okay, so let's do that last bit. Unexpectedly. Okay, good. Loop it again if you need to, but I'm going to keep going. We're on verse 2. C, just a little, change to F. You can drum the C chord if you want. Then we're back to C. Small to say the, then G. Okay, now we're ready for both a little scared. 3's moving to E, both a little, resolve with an F chord, scared, neither one pre, then change to D minor, and then change to E, Beauty and the Beast, and then rest, 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 rest. But another both a little F chord, then to C, neither one prepared. So we'll do it a bit again. Both, so G, both a little scared, change to C, neither one. Oh, our first D minor, should we go up? Yeah, good. And then to G, Beauty and the Beast. So I'm just going to go back from this bit when it goes both a little scared. Sorry, my light is flashing there. Both a little scared. Sorry. Both a little F chord. Then change to either, then D minor. Then to G if you want to go up. Beauty and the... And then we'll do one more time. 1, 2, G. Good, change to C, neither one prepared. Then Beauty and the Beast. Okay, so I think we'll just go over the whole thing now. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? 2, 1, 2. Good, well done. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and F2. Okay, now we've got our C chord. 1, 2, tail as old as F chord. 3, 4, C again. True as it can. Change to G. Barely even friends, so change to C. Barely even friends. Then somebody bends. F. Coming up to G. B. Then C. Just a little change. Verse 2. Small to say the least. Change to finger 3. Both a little scared. Neither one prepared. Beauty and the Beast. Okay, then we've got another G. Both a little scared. Change to C. Neither one prepared. Beauty and the Beast. Okay, so this is perfect. This is going to be really good if you've already done, or if you're thinking about and you want to learn piano. Really good way is to learn from the Active Learning book. All of the videos and tutorials are on YouTube, and then you can just follow along with the book, kind of like you did in this video. It'll teach you like things like how to harmonize melodies, so like how to fit those certain chords that sound good with the melodies, and it will actually help you learn pieces like this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed listening. Maybe loop over the video if you need to go over it again. Thank you.